P and Q are centers of two circles intersecting at B and C. ACD is a straight line. Find BQD. So let us start with what is given to us. Here this angle is given as 150 degrees, which means now we have here, this is the angle APB is the angle at the center. Here is APB angle at the center. So the angle at the circle will be at C. Let's trace the angle at the circle. Here ACB will be the angle at the circle, and it will be half of 150. So let's write that first. We have angle APB equal to 150, and angle at the circle ACB is half of angle APB, which is half of 150, equal to 75. So here I have this angle is 75. Now I can see a linear pair because I have a straight line. ACD is a straight line, so this is the linear pair. So I'll write 75. I'll put this as x. 75 plus x equal to 180 because it is linear pair. So x equal to 180 minus 75, and your x will be 105. So here I'll rub, and now I write here 105. So I found this as 105. Now if this angle is 105, that is BCD is 105. Remember, BCD is an angle at the circle. So I need to find the angle at the center, and the angle at the center will be BQD. This will be the angle at the center, and that will be double of 105, so it will be 210. So we have here angle B. Let's mark that angle. BCD is 105. Therefore angle BOD is double of 105. So BCD is 105. Therefore angle BOD is 2 times of 105, and BOD is 210. Now for the next part, we need to find, remember this angle, reflex BOD. And to find reflex BOD, we'll call it as Y. We know Y plus 210 equal to 360. So Y equal to 360 minus 210. So Y will be 150. So this Y will be 150. To summarize the sum, first we did here angle at the center is double the angle at the circle. Then we did the linear pair. After we did a part, we did linear pair. Till here was linear pair. And then for this, we did again angle at the circle was double the half the angle at the center. And in the end, we did the reflex angle. Now for the next sum, here we start with angle 50. This is angle 50, and we know OA equal to OB. If OA equal to OB, two sides are equal, so the two angles also will be equal. So this angle will also be 50. So we write that. We know OA equal to OB. If sides are equal, angles are equal. So angle OAB will be equal to angle OBA will be equal to 50. These are angles opposite equal sides. Now if you look very carefully, you will see this X is the exterior angle of the triangle OAB. So X is exterior angle of triangle OAB. So x should be equal to 50 plus 50. So x will be 100. Now for the third part, we can spot a cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is cyclic. Here we have A, B, C, D is cyclic. So we do A, B, C, D cyclic, and when it is cyclic we have opposite angles 180. Angle A and this angle C are opposite angles. So A plus C 180. A was given as 50, C is given as Y equal to 180. So Y is 180 minus 50 and Y will be 130. So we got Y as 130. Here we got X is 100, which is equal to 50 plus 50. Now for the next one, let us spot a triangle where two angles are given. We have A, B, C, and in ABC, here triangle ABC, there are three angles, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. When we add them, we'll get 180. So in triangle ABC, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 180. That is 60 plus 20 plus B is 180. 60 plus 20 is 80. 80 plus B is 180. So B will be 180 minus 80. So B will be 100. So this will be 100. This is one part. Now here is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we have A, B, C and D. So for A, B, C and D, here this is the cyclic quadrilateral. And in this cyclic quadrilateral, we know B plus D are opposite and they would be equal to 180. So we have A, B, C, D is cyclic, and therefore we can say B plus D equal to 180. Opposite angles are supplementary. So 100 plus D is 180. So D is 180 minus 100. So you get D as 80. So this D would be 80. So for this sum, in this first part, we did sum angle properties. We took a triangle and found the third angle. And in this part, we use a cyclic property. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Let's mark ABC. A, B, C. ABC equilateral means all sides are equal, all angles are 60. So ABC equilateral. Therefore, I can say angle A is 60. So I'll write that first. Triangle ABC is equilateral. Therefore, angle A equal to 60. That's the first step. Now there are two angles in the same segment, and that is angle, if you see angle A will also be equal to angle D. This angle A will be equal to angle D, angles in the same segment. So angle A equal to angle D equal to 60. So this also angle will be 60, angles in the same segment or same arc. Now we can spot a cyclic quadrilateral A, C, E, B. It's cyclic. All the four vertices are on this circle. So here this is cyclic. So quadrilateral A, C, E, B is cyclic. which means the opposite angles when you add up, you get 180. That is A plus E equal to 180. A is 60 plus E 180, so E will be 120. So this angle is 120. Now here we need to find X and Y. Let's get on to one cyclic, A, B, C and D is cyclic. If ABCD is cyclic, then angle A and angle, this angle here, I'll call it as P, will be 180. So we'll write A, B, C, D cyclic. Therefore, A plus angle P equal to 180. So A is 78 plus P 180. So P 180 minus 78. So your P will be 102. Next we're going to take a linear pair. So here is a linear pair, which means P plus X equal to 180, and that is a linear pair. We found P already as 102. So we'll write here 102 plus X equal to 180. So X is 180 minus 102. So X is 78. So we got X is 78. Now there's another cyclic, that is D, E, F, C. Here D, E, F, C. And in D, F, C again, the opposite angles, that is X and Y, will be 180. So in the quadrilateral D, E, F, C, X plus Y equal to 180. Now X we know is already 78 plus Y equal to 180. So if you see Y will be 180 minus 78, and that is 102. So Y will be 102. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Find the value of X. So we start this with 80. And we're going to use a linear pair. We'll mark this as Y. So 180 and Y is a linear pair. So we have Y plus 80 equal to 180 because linear pair. So Y is 180 minus 80. So Y is 100. So we got Y as 100. Now here's a cyclic quadrilateral, A, B, C and D. So A, B, C and D cyclic. So quadrilateral A, B, C, D is cyclic, which means we have Y here, this was Y, plus this angle, we'll call this angle say Z, this was Y, and Z will be 180. So Y plus Z equal to 180. Reason, opposite angles of cyclic are supplementary. So we have 100 plus Z equal to 180, and your Z will come as 80. Now next again we have linear pair, that is Z and X form a linear pair. Z and X form a linear pair, which means now we said Z plus X is 180. The Z, we have already found Z as 80 here earlier. This was 80 here, Z. So we'll write 80 plus X equal to 180. So your X is 180 minus 80. So X is 100. So this is 100. So to just recap, we first use linear pair, Then we use the property the opposite angles of cyclic are supplementary, and then we use linear pair again. Now in this figure, let's look at angle 55. This is angle 55, CBD. Here is angle 55, and this angle 55 is also equal to angle CAT. This also will be 55 angles in the same arc or in the same segment. So this is what we are going to write. So we'll write angle, this was angle first, I'll repeat again, CBD equal to angle CAD. So CBD equal to angle CAD, which is 55. Reason, angles in the same arc, in the same segment. Next we are going to go for cyclic quadrilateral. So ABCD is cyclic. So here is ABCD. If ABCD is cyclic, the opposite angles will be 180. Now this is one angle A, and C will be 180. So we write ABCD is cyclic, and A plus C is 180, cyclic property. A is 55 plus 45 plus C equal to 180. So here we have 100 plus C equal to 180. So C will be 180 minus 100, and C equal to 80. So BCD, which they are asking us, is equal to 80. Let's get on to this one. It's an interesting sum. So we have one circle whose center is here at O. Here we have angle, this angle is 70, angle P is 70, and angle P is the angle at the circle. The angle at the center will be here AOB. So this angle will be now 140. So if angle P equal to 70, we can say angle AOB equal to 2 times 70, which is equal to 140. Now let's look out for a cyclic quadrilateral, that is AOBC is cyclic. Let's trace it. Here this is cyclic, and in a cyclic the opposite angles are 180. Angle O and angle C are 180. So we have AO AOBC is cyclic. Opposite is O plus C. So angle O plus C is 180, and O is 140 plus C is 180. We found O here, 140. This is O, angle AOB. So C will be 180 minus 140, and angle C will be 40. So here we got this angle is 40, and that angle is ACB. So ACB is 40.